Bluey sat quietly under a tree calm, her eyes stared far away deep, the wind brushed her fur soft. Could dreams be calling her mind? Bingo waved excited asking what's wrong, Muffin ran around laughing loud, Bandit carried snacks in his paws, could family wake Bluey up? But Bluey's mind drifted further still, a giant castle floated in the sky bright, sparkling stairs appeared from clouds high, could adventure be real? She imagined herself wearing golden armor strong, a shining sword glowing in her grip, dragon's sword above roaring fire, could Bluey become a hero? Suddenly a voice echoed across her dream loud, Bluey, the world needs your courage fast. Her heart raced pounding, could destiny await now? The ground shook thunderous heavy, the castle doors burst wide open, knights cheered her name proudly, could she lead them to glory? Bingo appeared beside her smiling kind, Muffin wore a wizard hat glowing, Indy rode a unicorn blazing fast, could teamwork win this battle? Suddenly a giant shadow loomed over fierce, a monstrous titan stomped down hard, its eyes flared lightning red hot, could Bluey find the strength? She raised her sword high glowing bright, her friends stood united close, the titan roared shaking the sky, could courage break fear? The sword clashed against the monster's hand sharp, sparks flew scattering around loud, Bluey pushed forward with fire burning, could victory be hers? The titan crumbled apart piece by piece falling, the castle bells rang victorious clear, fireworks lit the dream sky wide, could celebration begin now? Bluey stood tall smiling proud, Bingo hugged her tight, Muffin cheered waving sparks, could joy fill the kingdom? Then suddenly the dream began to fade soft, the castle drifted far away slow, Bluey blinked back to reality calm, could her heart still hold magic? She looked at Bingo giggling near, Bandit munching snacks happy, Chilli humming gently close, could real life be just as amazing? Bluey whispered softly, every dream can start today, her eyes sparkled bright with hope, Muffin shouted let's play now, could imagination lead forever? If this moment made your heart race too, don't miss the next adventure, like, subscribe, and dream big with Bluey always.